All right, do you like doing puzzles? Like crossword puzzles and Sudoku, things like that? That's kind of what we're going to have to do here. And we have the challenge is, though, the key is we have to use identities that we have learned previously, hopefully have written down in your reference notebook. But a couple of them they talk about here on page 45 up here at the top. Like right here, 2 sine theta cosine theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Okay? So they're telling us up here that, here's the identity up here. Sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. So that's kind of like a piece of the puzzle, okay? A clue that we can then solve, plug in and solve. So hold on to that one. We're going to use that identity. Down here they talk about another one where the identity sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Okay, and so then they can simplify this complicated thing, subtract 1, divide. Anyways, it'll get us to a more familiar place once we kind of solve it. I'm going to take 2 problems here, 5 and 6, using 2 other identities, and we'll get you at least to a point where then it looks familiar, and then you can solve it just like you did the problems on the previous couple of pages, okay? So let's see here. Cotangent is the same as cosine over sine. So if I have 2 sine theta, and then I'm going to take this out and substitute that, which is cosine theta over sine theta equals square root of 3. Do you see that the sine will cancel that? So I'll have 2 cosine theta equals the square root of 3. Okay? And then once we have that, we can't divide by whatever's right here in front of it, but I can divide by the 2 out front. And so then that gives us that. And now we can look that up on your unit circle. Square root of 3 over 2. Since this is cosine, we're going to do I always get these confused. We do the y value, I believe. Is it the y? I want to say it's the y. All right, take it from there, okay? Now let's look over here. Secant is 1 plus the tangent. So I'm going to substitute that there. So tangent theta equals 1 plus tangent squared theta minus tangent squared theta. Look what happens. This and this will cancel each other out. Isn't that wonderful? So what looks like it's kind of complicated, once you do the substitution, becomes easy. And now the tangent is 1. And so you can take that from there and finish solving problem 6.